Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Yamaha's 2025 222SE. So when you get into the S line with Yamaha, you really start to take a look into their more luxury-oriented side of things, and a lot of differences between these boats and the rest of the Yamaha boats in the lineup. So some immediate differences is you do have like this diamond stitching and a more plush seating that you'll find on the S series. This is a 22-foot model, so you do have storage underneath this seat, as well as the seat with your battery switches held in there. You've got storage underneath both those. And even though this is the 22-footer, it's still powered by twin motors from Yamaha. Those are the 1.9 4-cylinders. They give you about a 400 horsepower combined rating on those two motors. Super comfortable area back here in the transom leading into your swim platform. You got padded seating on the back there, making that a great spot to hang out. This boat also will come with the stern swim up seats that let you put the seats that actually submerge into the water and hang right off the swim platform. We'll show you those a little bit later on. But we'll take a look inside the cockpit right now. So you can see we're getting shade from our canopy above us here. To give you an idea about height, I'm about 6'3". We've still got plenty of clearance above my head here. And it's a nice sporty look from this nice sport tower that Yamaha puts on the S models here. Awesome feature of the cockpit is dual helm seats. So both sides are going to have adjustable twist, swivel. Then the backs will adjust as well. And then on the captain's side, you're going to have that adjustable bolster, and it will swivel as well. Taking a quick look at the helm, you see this is your Yamaha Connect screen. So in there, you'll find your engine management, chart plotter, all your stereo controls. All that's going to be controlled on that screen there. Super convenient. You got a main controller here for that, as well as a touch screen, and then a wireless charging phone mount from AquaAmp right here. Take a look on the port side where you got a little bit of storage in here with a hideaway trash can, and those are those stern swim up seats that I mentioned a little bit earlier, just to give you an idea of what those look like. So we'll take a quick look into the ski compartment here. So this locker is pretty large for a 22-footer. You can see it goes up into the bow a little bit. We've got the full cover and its poles in there now, and still have plenty of room left in that ski locker. This flooring that you're seeing, it is a SeaDek-like foam flooring that is snap-in. So underneath there is non-skid. So you're able to take that in and out to clean it, or if you're gonna have pets on board or something like that, you just don't wanna have that SeaDek in there. Then we'll move on up all the way to the bow finally. So you can see you got a pretty spacious bow on here, and underneath each of these seats is more storage for you. And this boat will come with the filler cushions, so you can pop those in here and make this more of a full cushion pad if you want to lay out, sunbathe, something like that. Moving on up to the very front, you do have a bow ladder on this boat with some dedicated anchor storage, so a good way to stow that when you're not using it on board. And then if you have this closed with that ladder out, you've got a nice SeaDek stepping way back into the boat when you're climbing in from the bow. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.